everybody, my name is Grace, and I'm an ambassador. And today I'm going to and telling a story about baby Jesus. So it says my dream, and then go to Disney World. So first we're gonna start it. Might not look the best, but okay. And then we're gonna draw a little, it's like a little house thingy. So drawing Disney. So gotta do a few windows for the like bunk thingy magic. For like stairs. So I did that, and now I'm working on more windows. Okay, and then one big window. I'm almost done. Now I need to cut. I am coloring my picture. And I'm gonna use brown for like the parts of like where it holds it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna draw a crown on the top of the roof. I'm gonna draw a crown, a big golden crown. Now I need a yellow. And then I need a red. So red. Finish coloring the window. I need brown again. And then there's lots of stars that I might just color a little bit of them. Where's my yellow? I'm gonna tell the story in a second. finish coloring the star. I'll show you the picture at the end. I'm going to tell you all the story. So, there were shepherds living out in the fields nearby. It was night, and there were an angel of the Lord appeared. The glory of the Lord shone around them. They were terrified. But the angel said to them, "Do not be afraid. I bring you good news of great joy. It is for all the people. Today is the town of David. A Savior has been born to you. He is Christ the Lord. He is here. How you will know I am telling you the truth. You will find a baby wrapped in strips of clothing and suddenly a large group of angels from heaven also appeared. They are praising God. May glory be given to God, the highest heaven, and may peace be given to those is pleased with on earth." The angels left. Then the shepherds said to one another, "Let's go to Bethlehem. Let's see this thing that has happened, which the Lord has about." So that's my story. And Merry Christmas. Bye. Oh, yeah. And then here's my thing of Disney World. Have a Merry Christmas. Bye.